everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing very well and never stop learning, because life never stop teaching. Then why we stop learning? So update yourself as much as you can, and update per day. Per day you need to update yourself as much as you can. So keep practicing, because practice is much more important than all other things. Okay, so never stop learning. Okay, so today we will talk about that why django framework mostly used in IT industry. Why django framework mostly used in IT industry. Okay, then other like fast API. So I will say about this question that django and what I will elaborate this question. Django and fast API serve different purposes and have their own strength, which is why they are preferred in different scenarios within the IT industry. Okay, so Django is a mature and well-established web framework. Django is a mature and well-established web framework with a large and active community. IT provides a wide range of built-in features for web development, including an ORM, okay, authentication, admin interface, and more. Okay, so this make it is a good choice for building complex. This makes it a good choice for building complex feature-rich web application. Okay, now if I talk about second, so rapid development. Django batteries included approach allows for rapid development, making it an excellent choice for projects where time to market is very critical. Okay, so this is a reason that's why Django framework mostly used in IT industry than other like fast API. Okay, so I hope you all understand that's what question is saying and what answer you are going to give in interview. So please note down this question and all that question, whatever I provided daily in my short video content, that is a very useful in interviews. Okay, and in the last I would like to inform you all that we are going to start a new batch from 1st of November from absolutely scratch. Okay, so students who are not related with IT background, definitely no worries, no worries about coding, because we start the course from absolutely zero. So no worries, and you can, if you are really interested, you can join our that batch.